Hi everybody, welcome to Koi's Cookery. It's Annie and today I'm going to share with you one of my all-time favorite comfort dishes, which is my Instant Pot Napa Cabbage soup. I love this soup because not only is it delicious, but it helped me shed a lot of weight throughout my weight loss journey. It hydrates me, it's full of fiber, it's super easy to make, especially if you're a busy person. So let me show you how to do it. Let's get started. I think the best part about this recipe is the fact that everything just goes in one pot. You dump everything in and you wait for it to cook, so there isn't a lot of dishes to be washed after. So grab your slow cooker pot, I'm using my Instant Pot, and throw in half a head of a large washed Napa cabbage. Napa cabbage is found at any grocery store. It's the one that actually looks taller instead of a round cabbage. So you can find it at pretty much any grocery store. Then add in some carrots, and by the way, all the measurements will be in the description below as always. Add some celery, as well as some chopped onions. You can use fresh or canned diced tomatoes, either one works. As for the seasonings, I like to use turmeric, chili powder, Japanese 7-spice, salt and pepper, as well as some oregano and parsley, and even some garlic. Again, I'll list everything down below in the description. Now you can add some extra flavor by adding either your chicken or veggie bouillon paste, as well as a carton of chicken or veggie broth. Use whichever one you want. And then we're going to fill the top of the line of our Instant Pot bowl with water. So fill it to the max, just like I did. Top everything off with some scallions, and that's it. It was that simple. You literally just dumped a bunch of stuff into your pot, and now we're gonna cook it, which is really simple because you don't have to watch over this. So set it in your Instant Pot. I like to put it on the meat stew setting on high pressure for about an hour and 20 minutes. So when you come back, you have this delicious, warm, and comforting meal. I absolutely love that you can just set it and forget it instead of having to stand over a hot stove for hours. So this is one of my go-to recipes. Cabbage soup is really well known for weight loss just because of how much it hydrates you and adds a lot of fiber and veggies to your diet. And I love this recipe regardless of weight loss or not. I have it in my house all the time, at least once to twice a week. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I am new to content creating, so please give this a like, subscribe, thumbs up, whatever you can to support me, and please let me know in the comments below what you would like to see next. Again, this is Annie. Love you guys and have a great day.